Good evening friends, I am Arindam and I created a skill that's called Pharos Agent Escrow, and that is a payment escrow in the Pharos network. Basically it's currently working on the Pharos testnet. And how it's work, I show it step by step. At first we can do many kind of installation. Option 1 is the smoothest recommended, and option 2 installation, copy the folder, everything. But I go through this npx install. So let me show you how it's work step by step. So currently you guys can see in here that my Pharos agent escrow skill install it in the Claude Code, because I choose here Claude Code. So in Claude Code folder I can show you that file already got installed in the cloud.cloud folder skill section. I can check Pharos agent escrow has already been installed. So now let me run this escrow and how all these things work. Let me show you. So you guys can see here that I open two git bashes and I need to export my private key here at first. Then I need to go to all the thing. So how this agent work? Let me show you one by one. At first let me export my private key with the command of this. You can check it here in the GitHub. Export private key, then your private key, and this private key not stored anywhere, so don't worry about it. It's not stored anywhere. It's just a temporary session for this terminal. Like currently I'm working with two separate personality in client mode and with worker mode, so that's why I open two git bashes. So after that your private key imported, then you need some Pharos testnet token as well here. Then I installed this skill currently on Claude Code, so I run here Cloud, and in this terminal I run here Cloud as well. And yes, I trusted this folder. Yes, I trusted this folder. So that's everything open, and in two terminal Cloud already opened here. And this left terminal working as a client and right terminal working as a worker. Okay, so from the left terminal as a client I give job to the right terminal. And how I give job to the right worker? So let me show you step by step. Time I am saying you that in the left terminal I am working as a client, and in the right terminal I am working as an agent. Okay, so I send the job to the this terminal, right terminal. Okay, let me show you step by step. So the command you can currently I copy it, so you can do type it, create an escrow job hiring the which wallet address you want to hire, I mean the which person, which worker you want to hire. You can just put it here. Okay, so currently I am hiring this guy. So let me hire for the 10 Pharos. Okay, for the 5-minute deadline. Okay, okay, now you guys can see here that a transaction ID has been created and blocks and status success, and I am the client and worker is the that guy which I want to hire for 10 Pharos, and deadline is the 5 minute for the creation. Okay, so we hire for the 5 minute deadline. That worker need to send his work into the 5 minute to the client. Already worker send the work to the client, and after that I can approve the 10 Pharos for the worker, and that Pharos goes to the client address. And currently you can check that is my worker, I'm sorry, worker Pharos 24.99 Pharos, but after the approve it will release, and it's directly sent to this address. So here we go. As a client I release 10 Pharos for the worker work, and you can check it here. Previously I have like 25 Pharos, and currently I have 34.99 35 Pharos. Also in phase 2 this can build agent like agent marketplace or freelance boundary agent or paper data as x402 milestone manager. Everything we can create with this agent. Also thanks for watching.